I want to show you guys how to load your label in this thing. If you don't want to use, let me angle this down. If you don't want to use the roll that it came with, and if you already have like the ones that come in the stacks like this, you can definitely use those as well. All right, so let's go over loading the labels in this thermal label printer. So first you want to push that side button, lift this into a 90-degree position like that. And then as you can see, you have two tracks here and here. And then you also have a wheel. This is what grips your paper and moves it back and forth. When I put this in and close it, it's going to grip it and then it's going to calibrate itself. So let's go ahead and load a sheet in there just over the, let's just put it like that. It's not a science. It's like I said, it's going to calibrate it. So watch. Then I shut it. And then see how it has this green light? The label is now calibrated and ready to print.